Today, let's start a new lesson. That is lesson number 8, Florence Nightingale. Florence Nightingale, known as the Lady with the Lamp, was a British nurse. This lesson describes her experiences as a nurse in the army hospital at Scutari in Turkey during Crimean War. She arrived there in November 1854. At that time, the condition of the hospital was very bad. It was in a very old barrack house. Florence Nightingale was a wise and hardworking woman. At the time of leaving England, her friends gave her money. She didn't spend that money for her personal needs, but she bought medicines and food items with that money. When she reached Scutari, she started her work with her staff of 38 nurses. She loved the wounded soldiers so much and gave them special care. She distributed the medicines and food items to the patients. Within a few months, she could change the old army hospital in the barrack house into a new hospital with all facilities. At night, she carried a lamp and walked past the soldiers' beds to see if they needed anything. So the soldiers called her the Lady with the Lamp. That's how the world remembers her even today. Clear, children?